National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Clinton County, southeastern Greene County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Xenia, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Xenia, New Jasper, Bowersville, Port William, Paintersville, Bloomington, Lumberton, and Middleton Corner. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 53 and 60. Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Southern Butler County, southwestern Warren County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Wright, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Fairfield, Covington, Mason, Florence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash, Loveland, Springdale, Reading, Montgomery, Harrison, North Collegeville, and Madeira. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 24. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 6 and 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 184 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 23.